Smart home systems should make life easier and more comfortable, so MyLights is simple to use. We've put the buttons you use the most on the home screen of the My Place touchscreen and app. My favourite is My Welcome. It allows you to turn on all your lights remotely, perfect for when you arrive home late. You can personalise which lights come on in scenes. The opposite of welcome is My Goodbye. One tap turns off the lights when you leave. If you prefer to leave a few lights on, it too can be personalised in scenes. My Eco is how you save money without even trying. Your lights will run at a maximum of 80%. You'll barely notice the difference in brightness. However, you'll save over 40% on your lighting costs. And that's on top of the 80% you're already saving by choosing LED lights over halogens. As this graph showing annual lighting costs shows, it pays to be green. This Favourites window automatically shows the lights you use the most. To add a lighting group to Favourites, swipe or tap through to Groups and tap the star icon. Let's add security. Now it's in the Favourites panel and the yellow tells me there are security lights on. You can turn all the lights on or off in a group with a tap, or you can increase or decrease the brightness of lights by pressing the sun icons. The yellow bar is there to give you a visual guide of brightness levels. If you want to return a light to full brightness manually, just flick the switch 4 times like this. The quick way to see what lights are on and where is to swipe through to Groups. The yellow halo tells you there are lights on in a group. Let's see which. Tapping the arrow shows you every light in that group. Okay, so the lights are on in the dining room and lounge. Let's turn the lounge off and dim the lights in the dining room. You can adjust light individually, or you can use the all on or off button to control the group as a whole. And with the MyLights app, you can do all of this from anywhere. If there are settings you keep returning to, make a shortcut for yourself by saving them to scenes. With one tap, you can now return all your lights to how they were at that moment. For example, movie night. To create a new scene, press the plus button, give the scene a name, and press save. Next time you press movie night, all your lights will return to that saved scene. You can create up to 8 scenes, as well as personalise My Welcome and My Goodbye. Setup is where you name and group lights. Have a think about which lights you'd like in which group first. Now, select Lights Wizard to start. Manually flick on the switch you want to name, then type in its name. You might want to use the MyLights app on your phone for this. Then select the group you want to assign it to. If you need to change light groupings later on, simply go back to the Lights Wizard. If you need to rename groups, simply press the group you want to edit and enter a new name. Or to delete it entirely, select the icon. If deleted, then any lights in that group will be transferred to another group. This is also where you add new groups. You can have a maximum of 10. To change the order of lights in a grouping, go to Groups, hold down on the light you want to move and drag it to where you want. We hope that answers all your MyLights questions. Remember, if you do get stuck, help is only a tap away. Or call us at Advantage Air. We're an Australian company and we love making you feel comfortable.